For the repair of the brass high-power pulse driver board, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we add a 24-volt DC power supply, a multimeter in order to measure the voltage output of the third input, and we also add the 20 kHz input signal on each input. As soon as we turn on the power supply and we add the 20 kHz input signal on the inputs, we see that the LED indicators of each output light up. We can also see on the third output a 3 voltage output. It is now clear that the high-power pulse driver board is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.